We Gucci? We got the lights on? Oh, we live. Hey, shit. What up, fam? SGK 23 TV Network. SGK 23 TV Sneaker Show. Back in the building, you heard. Trying to keep you guys entertained. Trying to keep you guys vibe up through this whole corona stuff. I know everybody's in the house, locked up. You know, try to make the best of things. And, you know, like I said before, do things that you probably didn't have time to do before. And I'm going to keep the videos coming for you guys. I'm going to keep you guys, you know, reviewing different sneakers. Heat is what you like, you know what I'm saying? Affordable prices, steals. Please, please, please make sure to follow my Instagram and most definitely follow my Twitter so you can connect right to the people I follow in the Discord groups and get the early links, the discount codes, and so on and so on. For some of the quote-unquote hype that people call, the early links to go right to the link that sends you right to the sneakers app before it even drops, and so on and so on, and things of that nature. And if you want to pay $25 a month, it's even better. But again, for another day, when I go live, the studio's finished. Speakers and all that. Again, I don't want to be redundant, but it takes a lot of money. You dig? But again, peace and blessings and best wishes to everybody. You tuned in to SGK Tv Network. It's your boy GK Rico Diego Fago TD Santorum on the mic and all that good stuff. And we got reviews, man. And we doing something different today. You feel me? Peace and blessings. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, hit the bell icon where you get notified anytime I drop any content. And if anybody's new, again, peace and blessings, and make sure to subscribe, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Sneaker giveaway at 1,000, and giveaways whenever I feel like it. Sneakers, clothing, jewelry, this, that, and the other. So you definitely don't want to be one of the people that miss out when I'm like, oh, I'm gonna give something away, and it might be like 4 to 1. You know, you dig what I'm saying? Same with the sneaker giveaway. Don't make it 10 people, so the odds are 10 to 1. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, after 1,000, we probably do it every 500 subscribers. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna do something different. Saucony joint. All right, see the box, right? Special pack on these though. These ain't just no regular Sauconys, but they regular, you know, Sauconys. Grid 9000s. Men's 10 US, 9 UK. You see the box. It's nothing special on these. I got a more special Saucony box on these joints. There's a lot of joints that I wanted to review, but then the theft happened, so I never got around to them. This is one of them. Blam. Blam. But hold on. I gotta get them both out. You know, paper bag money, tissue paper. Receipts on deck. Hold on, I know this is straight from the Saucony Grid 9000. This is the delivery pack. $93 as far as like original retail. These came from Privy. Wow. I don't have the other ones. They stole the other ones. It's a pack. It's 2 of them. So as always, let's blam. Get to the kicks, right? There we go. Beautiful, man. Like, again, a lot of people sleep because of branding, hype, names, so on and so on. Let's get with it. You see that kind of translucent, kind of like brownish gum, you know, Grid 9000 Saucony bottom with that right there. This is like dope on these. That right there is actually a piece of like whatchamacallit, not glass, but like a plexiglass type of piece. Before you don't touch the foam. It's covered by like plexiglass or carbon fiber, see-through, you know, but the foam is up under it. You know, you see the grid, Saucony. You see the bottom. There's the toe cap. There's the toe box. That's the wave. Hold on. That's the wave. And we'll start from the outside right here. Mid. Sometimes I have to look away from the camera to really get the color. Mid like a white, pretty much white mid on these. All the way around, right? Blam. Then we get to butter, man. Butter biscuits. Like, look. You know what I'm saying? I could write my name on this suede. So we have this on again, no colorways. So we're just gonna like a wolf gray type of jump off. Again, look at this. That ain't me dirtying it up. That's just brushing the suede. That's what you call quality. So you have this, like, again, wolf gray jump off. Even going through here. Let me do it like that. So you guys can see. We aim for play. Darker. Let's, clean it up. Blow. You know what I'm saying? Butter biscuit suede. Right? Saucony logo. Real nice leather jump off with the see-through. With kind of like a flannel type of Travis Scott SB Dunk type of feel, but real 3D-ish, real thick. You can see that. Right? Lights on. 4K. Vachetta, what I would call it. Suede right here as well. Look at the attention to detail and the stitching and all that good stuff. This right here, same as on the toe box, if you can see it. That's like that pattern where, like I told, if you guys seen my video before, like one goes over, then one goes. I'm gonna do it one hand. Once go this way, then one goes that way, but one goes. Hold on. It's like you have one like this, and then one goes that way, and this one goes over that way, then this one goes over that way, then like that, and so on and so on. That's that pattern that you have going on. 3D-ish type of wave, and like a gray. Like a wool type of jump off. And here, a little more defined suede. Little biscuits, man. And then up here again, same deal. We got the suede. Then right here, we got like super dope, man. Like, leather patch, khaki, Saucony, like burnt in type of old school wave. You know what I'm saying? You see the stitching. You see the laces. Rope laces with that gray and blue feel. Up here you have some more suede and like a bluish type of wave. You know what I'm saying? Then of course, 900 grid, so you have that fit. That's just butter biscuit. They go to ticket, the snatch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you have that fit. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like just slip the joints on, Inside, white guts. You know what I'm saying? The footbed, red, gold Saucony on it. Let me see if I can do it for you guys. I don't want to make the videos too long, but some sneakers need some love, you heard? So, you see the technology, Red 9000 and all that. You know what I'm saying? Red on the bottoms as well. You know what I'm saying? Butter biscuit suede, the leather patch. Here goes some mesh. Here go the same jump off. You know what I'm saying? That's on the front, right there. You know what I'm saying? That's right there a little bit. That's on the back a little bit. They go to back right there. Bananas. Stupid, ridiculous quality, fam. Got that joint. Look, so you see it. That shit ain't no joke. Leather, Saucony, the grade, polyurethane. Here go that same type of suede. made on the back, bottom, outsole, extra set of laces. So you got them like gray with like, the theme, kind of gray, bluish, whatever. Then you got these joints, which are kind of off-white creamish with kind of like the same navy bluish. You know what I'm saying? So you switch up if you want to. On the inside, same way with the suede, the khaki leather. This is more of a nubuckish leather than like leather. This is like the leather. On the other one, you got Saucony. This one's tied up right to that blue navy suede. This one, you got the Saucony burnt into it. Again, you kind of like that slip-on feel. You know what I'm saying? You get to the tongue, man. Beautiful, beautiful, man. I'm telling you, I bring you guys, again, I use metaphors and analogies. I take you through the hood without riding around, you dig? Beautiful patch on the tongue. Kind of like a mesh tongue, if you want to call it mesh, like all the way through. But more like wool or, I don't know. It doesn't feel like an AJKO, you know what I'm saying? But whatever. With a leather patch, you know what I'm saying? Saucony logo in gold. Boom. Again, the back, bam. And that's that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The city pack joints. Butter biscuit suede, butter biscuit leather, butter biscuit nubuck. That, trio type of joint that I talked about before on a lot of kicks when they do that crazy slip-on type of wave. If it doesn't, and it doesn't look like a slip-on type of wave. You feel me? You still get that sneaker feel. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Sauconys are fire. Don't sleep on Sauconys. Don't sleep on Asics. Don't sleep on Fila's. Don't sleep on prices or hype. At the end of the day, here go the other one. Same type of jump off. Here go the inside. Again, butter biscuit. You can see it. You know what I'm saying? The 750 first one, Yeezys, I don't even think are as good as this. Can be debatable. See the red tips on the laces. See the tongue. Same footbed. See the Saucony. Again, like real quality shit. You see like the Saucony pocket laced right into the blue eyelids or the bottom lace lock type jump off. A lot of attention to detail. That's really, really fire on this city pack. I believe this might have been 2016, 17-ish or something like that. Two of them. Again, the other one was stolen. But I'll be re-getting it. They go to take it to snatch. Anyone who wouldn't really see like a SKU number or anything like that. And blam, yeah. City pack Sauconys right there. Another fire sneaker. Like if you're from the East Coast or if you're from the 80s period, like paid in full wave, anything of that nature, velour suits, just like regular tight jeans, not skinny jeans, anything of that nature, just like the perfect fit jeans for your size. You know what I'm saying? These with that type of jean, them type of shorts, velour suits, jumpsuits, whatever. Fabric, you know what I'm saying? These, you don't mess with these. You don't mess with Asics. You don't mess with Fila's. You don't mess with Sauconys. You don't mess with, there's so many brands outside of the norm that everybody knows. And, yeah, I just had to do it for you guys, man. And another long-ass video. Sometimes, that's why I did like the Charlie Chaplin joint, where I just don't talk. I'm just going to start just reviewing the shoes. But I got to touch up and let people know, like, yo, this is suede. I like it. I don't. Check it out. This is the leather part. Look at this. Look at that. But, again, yeah, 15 minutes. Too long. But there you go. Don't sleep on the city pack. Again, 2016, 17-ish. I'm not too sure. There they go. I'll give you, like, 10 seconds. Like, up close, 4K. to look at the materials, the combination of materials, the suede, of leather, of that pattern I talked to you guys about. Like this type of nubuck. This is not leather. This is like a nubuck. This is like leather. The suede is, man, you can see it. Laces are crazy. The slip-on wave is crazy. The guts are crazy. The tongue, the patches, the laces, extra laces. Yeah, so do you like the blue grayish or the white navy bluish? Bam. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Peace and blessings. Stay safe. Catch you right now unboxing this joint right here. Peace.